Tired of starting from scratch for every new document? Dochub templates are your secret weapon for lightning-fast, perfectly consistent document creation. Let's dive into how you can harness the power of Dochub templates to revolutionize your workflow first. Locate and click on the Templates option in your Dochub navigation menu. This is your gateway to pre-built solutions and your own custom creations. Dochub offers a fantastic library of predestined templates for a variety of common needs, from crucial legal contracts and vital HR forms to efficient sales agreements and intake questionnaires. There's likely a template ready to go for you. To get started, simply browse the categories or use the search bar to find the exact template you need once you found it. Click on the template to select it. This action will initiate the document creation process using that template as your foundation. Now, the magic happens. Your chosen template will load directly into the Dochub editor. Notice the pre-filled fields and placeholders. These are ready for you to customize with your specific information. Simply click into each field and begin typing, replacing the placeholder text with your data. This is where Dochub truly shines. By using a template, you ensure that all necessary information is captured, and the document structure remains consistent every single time. No more forgetting crucial clauses or formatting errors. You just focus on the content. Once you've filled in all the required details, you can then save the document within Dochub or download it in your preferred format. This streamlined process dramatically reduces the time spent on document creation and ensures a professional, standardized output for all your internal and external communications. So go ahead, explore Dochub's template library and discover the power of building documents efficiently. Start saving time and ensuring absolute consistency today.